Look at how clean this side of the studio is. That box has to go to my sister. Her babies were born last week. They are okay. Everyone's home. So I'm gonna send this probably with some cookies, and then I'll go visit her whenever she's settled in a little bit better. We're doing a little bit better today. I am back at work and took another couple days off. The lighting's really bad, isn't it? Took another couple days off from vlogging, and now I'm not 100%, but I am back to where I can do things again. I'm also wearing a new sweatshirt that one of my very best girlfriends, Allie, sent me, and I love it so much. It's actually the first crew neck sweatshirt I've ever had. I think I've always gotten hoodies, and I really like it, so I think I'm gonna look into getting more crew neck sweatshirts. So I also am planning to finish the Chomp mittens today, which are the T-Rex children's mittens that will be releasing around the same time as the Catacomb mittens this month. And then next I'll be doing Moon Landing, and then Bot is already done. So, and those are all going to nieces and nephews whenever I've finished photographing them. So yeah, I'm going to go pack some orders, get those out. I have some orders to sculpt, and we're still gonna take it kind of slow today, but we should be back on track.
Look how cute! It's a little big, but it fits better than it did last year because you're getting to be a big girl. Yeah, it's cold, isn't it?
You're still shivering a little bit. Do I need to bring a blanket out here for you? I can put it over in the chair. Is that better? Look. She wanted a blanket. I also made even more buttons this weekend. We have 3. I don't know if I can show them in a slideshow format. I don't think I can. So we have buttons that are donuts, a gnome, like a holly wreath for Christmas, Selbu star. I wanted to do a whole series of the Selbu stars. We're gonna see how this one sells, and I'll make more. T-Rex bone, ram skull, person skull, and this like kind of night sky pine tree. I thought that would be kind of a nice neutral. And then I think I can show you better on here the ones I already ordered. Here's Mothman, Nessie, and Bigfoot. Those will go together in a set of 3. Ram, black-faced sheep, isn't that what they're called? The breed? And just like a normal sheep. I don't really know what breed that would be, but... And then the tattoo ones, which I am excited about. I already think that that will be my next project, is to incorporate those buttons. So yeah, I think that's it. I did order some 0.5 inch buttons, but I don't remember what designs I used. They were, I know I got a strawberry, but yeah, so we should have all kinds of buttons in the shop soon, and I'm very, very excited. Oh, and there's a button tattoo I was looking at. I would love to know if any of you have button ideas that, like, specifically for patterns that you know a special button would complement really well, or even if you're like a business owner that wants to carry like special buttons in their shop, and like any designs that you think would look good for that, like if you wanted your logo on them or something. I'm really curious. So I am really excited about all these, and I have very high hopes for their success in terms of me being able to work with other companies that also sell handcraft supplies, as well as carrying them in my shop to expand the product diversity in my shop. Is that right? I don't know, to have more products in my shop that have my artwork on them. And of course, you can get unique buttons from lots of places, probably much cheaper than what I will be doing, but I don't know, these seem very special. I've always really liked buttons, and I've talked about buttons for probably 3 of my Vlogtober episodes now. Okay, I can tell by my vlogging today that I am feeling better, so yay! Alright, we're hopping onto Etsy officially now. I was just double checking a few emails and had a thought that I wanted to put into the vlog, and my tape thing was coming apart. I think Rory was using it this weekend. I tossed these in mayo and vinegar and spices, and look how pretty. I've done it with chicken before. It was my first time trying with potatoes, and I'm really excited. We're gonna have burgers tonight.
Steven!
Aw, that's so cute. Steven. What about Elmo? He wants to be filmed.
You're such a good girl.
Daddy, is it on right now? Is it on right now or still on backwards? Cool and happy.